the introduction part of the statistic assignment. Statistics is a form of mathematical analysis that uses quantified models, representation, and synopsis for a given set of experimental data or real-life studies. Statistics can be applied to almost all fields such as business, industry, trade, economy, chemistry, botany, physics, biology, psychology, and astronomy. So, statistics is become too important in modern society today. Statistical data truly present the status of economic development and has also become an important factor affecting economic development. People involved in various economic activities must make judgments and decisions based on statistical data. Statistics not only play an important role in economic development, it has also been integrated into our life. So, people should pay attention to statistic education. People should educate and promote statistics so that more people can understand statistics. In this way, society can develop more rapidly and steadily.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Siti Noshafika binti Muhammad. My matric number is A1980883. Okay, I would like to present about the data arrangement and graphical method. About the data arrangement, we choose the data statistic of application identification card by race in 2017. It have 48 sample size, which is 16 of state. Okay, for the data arrangement, firstly, make a frequency distribution. Step 1 is decide the number of classes. The sample size of the data is 48, so the number of class is 6. Step 2 is determine the class interval. The formula is maximum entry minus with minimum entry divided by number of classes. So the answer of class interval is 30634. Step 3 is set the individual class limits. Step 4 is make a tally mark for each data entry in the appropriate class. And lastly, step 5 is the number of tally mark for the class in the frequency of the class. Okay. Secondly is make a relative frequency distribution. The formula is class frequency divided by sample size. And third is make a cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency of the last class same with the sample size. We have 6 classes. The first class, it has the highest frequency of 27. Second class is it has 7 of frequency. The third class, the frequency is 3. Fourth class is 6 frequency. And the fifth class, the frequency is 3. And the last class, the frequency is only 2. It is the lowest frequency. Okay, next. Based on the data that we have collected, we have choose 3 suitable graph, which is histogram, polygon, and ogive. Okay, for the histogram graph, the graph show the decline for the application identification card by race in 2017. For the midpoint, 154.15.5, the frequency of application is the highest, about 27 frequency. Next is polygon graph. Based on this graph, the data show an increase and decrease for the application identification card by race. And the midpoint 154.15.5 is the highest frequency. And lastly is ogive graph. The graph show the increase of the cumulative frequency start from 98.5 of upper boundaries until 183902.5. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Vaishnavi Sivakumar with my matrix number A19A0962. So, the part I'm going to present is about measure of central tendency. So, what is measure of central tendency? Measure of heterogeneity is about identify what is a normal or set of data. We will be using three types of modes, which is mean, median and mode, to find out the results. So the first point or the first step will be finding out the median. So median will be found out by using a data which is divided of 6 classes: midpoint, frequency, fx and cumulative frequency. So the frequency that we finalized and found out is about 48, and the result of fx is about 2363546. So we will be finding out the mean by using the total number of frequency divided by the number of fx. So we will be finalized and get the answer, or the result is 49240, which means the mean of application identification card by racers was approximately 49240.54. And the mode is the data that appeared with greatest frequency. We will use mode at the step of using the finalize the mode to find out our median. So the lower class boundary is being used, which is our lowest boundary that is used, which is 99. So the result will be 98.5. And the class size will be 30732.5 minus with 98.5, which will be calculated and resulted as 30634. So the mode will be calculated as 98.5 will be plus with the 27 minus 0 and divided by 20 in the bracket, 27 minus 0 and plus with 27 minus with 7. And we will be times it 30634, and the result will be 17696.75. So the third step or the last step of finding out the measure of central tendency is median. Median is the value that lies in the middle of the data when the data set is ordered. So median will be found out using the total of frequency, which is 48 divided by the 2. That is our formula. So therefore the median class is 99 minus 30732. But before that, the observation that we had find it out in the median is about 24th observation. So our lower boundary is about 98.5. Then our class size is 30732.5. It will be minus with 98.5, and the result will be 30634. It is similar with the step that we have used previously, which is mode. And this median will be find out by 98.5 plus with the 48 divided by 2 minus with 0 and divided by 27, and lastly will times with 30634, and our result will be 27056.42.
Measure of position is the data must be sorted from lowest to highest. There are three ways to determine the measure of position. It are quarter, decimal, and percentile. However, there are three ways to determine the measure of position, but I only use the quarter ways. Quarter is one of 3 points that divide a dataset into 4 equal groups. The formula is shown on the slide. We can see the formula and the ways calculated in the slide. The first step is find the location of Q1 and Q3. In the slide, we can see you can find the location. Q1 is 12 and Q3 is 36. And step 2 is find the value of Q1 and Q3. We can see it. The first quarter is 13699.996. It is about 25% of the national identification card application are less than 13699.996, and the other 75% of the national identification card applications are more than 139,699.996. Then we can find it the third quarter is 81799.378. About the 75% of the national identification card applications are less than 81799.378, and the other 25% of the national identification card applications are more than 81799.378. After we find it the Q1 and the value of Q1 and Q3, we can find the interquarter range, and the formula of the interquarter range also is shown on the slide. We find in the interquarter range of the national identification card application is 68099.382. This all is for the measure of.
My name is Tan Sing Lee. My metric number is A19A0928. Now, I will present the results of SPSS. In measure of center tendency, mean is 47,217.58. Medium is 26,793.00. Mode is 99. In measure of variation, variance is 244,709,5541.6567. Standard deviation is 49468.127. In measure of position, quartile 1 is 5,630. Quartile 2 is 26,793. Quartile 3 is 68,221. Range is 183801. The shape of data distribution is skew-like. In F statistic, SS total is 115,013,490,453.667. SST is 460,236,862,45.542. So, SSE equal to SS total minus SST is 110,134,90,453.667 minus 460,236,862,45.542 equal to 6x9 9804208.125. Thank you.
My name is Silvana Binti Shamsuddin and my metric is A19A0917.
For the shape of data distribution, median is 49,240.54 is more than median is 70,696.75 is less than moon is 37,056.42. For the first graph, first histogram is highest and the second and third is decrease and fourth is increase and 5 and 6 is decrease. In conclusion, we conclude national identity identification card application statistic for 2017 in Malaysia with 50 states and race is Malay, Chinese, India and others. The total number of identity card number of each state to the race in Malaysia, namely 2,662,832. For total Malay identity card in all states is 1,430,279. For total, India has 635,547. For Chinese is 270,680. For other race is 369,388.